Okay. Alright, this puppy diagnosed with Parvo on Wednesday evening. We found out she probably started having it Wednesday morning or a little bit earlier. Now it is Saturday night. Last night, Friday night, I've done this more than once. It's happened with the different dogs, but she should have died last night, but she got better. She was definitely going to die last night, but she ended up getting better because I believe we tried doing her with eggs, raw eggs first, and then they said that I researched it. They said that if they threw up, giving them raw egg, then it's working. And then giving chicken soup without salt helps a lot, because this was yesterday that I fed her some chicken soup without salt now, and then we're gonna see if this one survives. I'm about to go get her some more chicken soup now, and it's Saturday evening.